Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelette roti. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, eggs, water, and a pinch of salt for the roti dough. For the omelette part, have your favorite additions ready, such as finely diced onions, green chilies, and fresh cilantro. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the roti dough. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with about half a cup of water and a small pinch of salt. Knead this mixture for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a soft roti.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while cooking with the fantastic Omelette water bottle. It keeps your drinks cold for hours, perfect for any kitchen adventure. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
While the dough rests, let's get the omelette mixture ready. Crack 2 large eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk, and whisk them well. Incorporate your finely chopped ingredients like onions, green chilies, and fresh cilantro. Season with a pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This flavorful mixture will be the heart of your omelette roti. It's time to cook. Roll out a small ball of dough into a thin, round roti about 6 inches in diameter. Place it on a hot, non-stick pan and cook for about 30 seconds on each side until lightly browned. Then, pour a portion of your egg mixture directly onto the roti, spreading it evenly. Cook until the egg sets, then fold and serve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.